Hello, welcome to my channel Slay Minds. Today we'll play Sudoku together. Now let's play. Today we'll learn and play 6x6 Sudoku for kids and elderly. Our goal is to fill in the entire grid with numbers from 1 to 6, and each row, column and box must contain all the numbers from 1 to 6 without repetition. Sudoku exercises your brain. Basically, Sudoku is more about logic than maths. So let's start to solve this Sudoku. You may pause the video and draw a grid for 6x6 Sudoku as shown on the screen on a piece of paper. You can note down the given numbers and start playing with me. In the first column, numbers are 5 and 6. In the second column, numbers are 2, 3, 1. In the third column, there is only one number. And in the fourth column, there are 6, 4, 2. And fifth column, 6, 2, 5. And the sixth column contains 5, 1, 6. And in the rows, first row 1, 6, 5. Second row, only 5 number. Third row, 2, 6, 1. Fourth row, 3, 2. And fifth row, 6, 1, 4, 5. And sixth row, 2 and 6. So let's start with the fifth row. So fifth row, there are 6, 1, 4, 5 numbers are there. 6, 1, 4, 5, and only 2 and 3 are missing. So 2 will come here or here. So 2 cannot come here because 2 is in the same box. 4, 5, 2, 6. So 2 is there. So 3 will come here and 2 will come here. Okay. Now let's complete this same block. 4, 5, 3, 2, 6. Only 1 is missing, so let's write 1 here. Okay, so let's complete the sixth column. Let's complete sixth column. There are 5, 1, 3, 6 numbers. Only 2 and 4 are missing. Okay, see, 2 and 4 can come here or here. So 2 cannot come here because 2 is just next to it here. So 2 cannot come here. 2 will come here and 4 will come here. Okay, let's complete this box only. 6, 1, 2, 4. So 3 and 5 are missing. 3 and 5 can come here or in these two cells 3 and 5 can come, but 3 cannot come here because 3 is just left hand side of this. Okay, so 3 is here, so 3 cannot come here. Here 5 will come and 3 will come here. And let's complete the fifth column. So 6, 3, 2, 5, 1 are there. Only one number is missing. Can you tell which number is that? That is number 4. Okay. Let's complete this box only. In this box, 6, 5, 4, 2 are there. 1 and 3 are missing. 1 and 3 will come in these two boxes, but when 1 cannot come here because 1 is just next to it. So 1 cannot come here, 1 will come here and 3 will come in this box. Okay. Now let's complete this fifth row. In the fifth row, we have 3, 5, 2, 1. Only 1 and 6 are missing. See, here 6 cannot come because 6 is here. 6 cannot come here. Only 1 can come here and 6 will come here. Okay. Now let's complete the same box. In this box, 2, 1, 3, 6 are there. 4 and 5 are missing. So 5 cannot come here because 5 is here. Only 4 can come here and 5 will come here. Okay. Now let's complete this column. Third column, 1, 5, 6, 2. Only 3 and 4 are missing from this column. So here 4 cannot come because 4 is here. 4 is here. So 4 cannot come here. So 3 will come here. 4 will come here. Okay. Let's complete the same box. 6, 1, 2, 4 are there. 3 and 5 are missing. 3 and 5 can come in these two cells. So 3 cannot come here because 3 is here. just above this same cell. 3 is there, so 3 cannot come here, so 5 will come here, so 3 will come here. Let's complete the first column. Only one number is missing. 54163. Which number is missing? It's 2. So we'll complete 2 over here. Now let's complete the first row. Only one number is missing. 21365. Which number is missing? 4. So we'll complete it with 4. Now let's complete the first box. 24153. Which number is missing? That is 6. So this Sudoku is done. I hope you liked and enjoyed solving this Sudoku with me. Tomorrow again I'll come up with a new video with a new Sudoku for kids and we'll play together. Please do not forget to like my and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.